Hi everybody, tonight we're going to be making some rainbow trout. Rainbow trout is a very healthy fish, very low in calories, low in fat, and not very expensive. I got 2 pieces here for $5.54. Can't beat that for the price. These fish can be 3 to 5 years old, but their usual lifespan is usually closer to 2 to 3 years. And I'm going to go ahead and put this in my pan. And we'll give it a little bit of lemon, some seasoning. This is not super high in protein. Each piece has about 17 to 20 grams of protein, but calorie-wise, it's probably about 170 calories per piece. So it's very low in calories, low in fat, and very good for you and very tasty. Just want to get a little bit of color on the one side. Doesn't take much to cook because they're not very thick pieces. A little more lemon. Almost time to get a new bottle of lemon. And because it's so low calorie and low in fat, I'm going to put a little bit of garlic butter on it, just to get it to taste a little bit better, although it's a very good tasting fish to begin with. This takes about 4 or 5 minutes to cook. In the meantime, I have some butternut squash already cubed. I'm going to put that in the microwave. I'll put it in for about 6 minutes on my microwave. And in about 6-7 minutes, we'll be having some rainbow trout and some cubed butternut squash. Very healthy, 170 calories, a little bit more because of the butter on it. And then I don't think the butternut squash has too many calories. So all in all, a low-calorie, healthy dinner, less than 10 minutes, and very easy to make. As always, I'll take a picture of the finished dinner and use it as the thumbnail. If you find these useful, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification so you'll never miss a video. Hope you're enjoying the cooking series. This is part of the less expensive one. They're kind of all mixed together, but obviously you cook other types of inexpensive fish the same way. And we'll catch you on the next time.